and welcome back to whatever this channel is called. And today I'll be replacing a radio in old Betsy here. So let's see how that goes. Never done it before. Maybe the truck catches on fire. Who knows? So I bought one of these radios off Amazon, one of the cheaper ones, since this is a cheap truck. About Bit. Never heard of it. It's from the fancy land of China. So it comes with MP3, USB, AM, FM, UFC, 1, 2, 3, ABC. So that's what's going in here. So when I got the truck, the radio never worked, and the previous owners decided to put roofing nails to hold in the radio. Don't know why. Maybe because if you get in an accident, you get a radio roofing nails in your face. So that's something I just found on the side of the road. I was broken down. And so I'll try pulling it out and we'll see how it goes from there. Apparently you're supposed to have these little key things that go in here, so yeah, to get the radio out, but I think these roofing nails might work. Maybe not. Here we go. Yeah, come on. Get out of there. Almost there. I just had it up too. Oh, there we go. Come on. Get out of there. Yeah. Alright, so let's just unplug this bit and these two bits in the back. Well, maybe not. So with that one. And this one. Yeah. The only bad thing is, I think I have to buy some more stuff for it. Right. So you're probably wondering why I'm wearing a different shirt and it's probably a different time of the day. Well, because in ordering my radio, I forgot to buy one of these adapters. You definitely need one of these if you have an OBS style Ford and you're trying to get rid of your stock radio. So, my apologies, but I got it. Alright, so with these, basically you just match up the colors like green to green, white to white, purple to purple. These colors are that colors. Or if you're colorblind, gray to gray, gray to gray, gray to gray, and gray to gray. It's good if you're not wire cutters, all you just have to do is bend them. So that, there. Okay. Let's see now. Speaker outputs. These are nicely labeled. Now, since everything is connected, you may have a few extra wires, so I just taped them off for now, but I don't know where they go to, but you're not connected to that, so leave them like that. And after that, you should be able to just plug that into the Ford, listen to the radio, and I should be good. Alright, now all you gotta do is just plug the connector into here. Alright. Alright. Since you've got these all plugged in, it's as simple as plugging in the back ones now to the radio. So, alright. Push these in. Get your antenna hooked in. They'll go in. Get in there. There we are. Alright, I should. Slide in. Oop, I was supposed to put that tray in, but I'm trying to get everything in at once. In there. Gotta get closer. Somewhat of a decent fit. Truck's on. Ooh, we got power. And a little remote. Ooh. Static. Oh. Turned to green. Changes colors apparently. Hooked up Bluetooth. Let's see how it works. Always check your volume on your phone before you do that. Don't want to blow your speakers out. But this radio gets pretty loud.
Lord, it's the same old tune, fiddle and guitar.
Alright.
Where do we take it?
I don't want to go any higher. I don't know how well the speakers will last. But yeah. It's a cheap radio. Cheap truck. Beats the old one. I actually can listen to music. Don't know if I'll be able to hear it over the loud exhaust, but I shall find out. But yeah, it's decent radio. Everything works the way it should. For $25, you can't really go wrong. Gives you a cool little remote. So, you want to sit on tailgate, listen to music. I'd say that's a wrap on this video. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed to this. So that's the end of this video. Good luck on yours.